Hello friends, Khushwant Singh and his prose Mother Teresa, Apostle of Unwanted. During our last lecture, Mother Teresa told Khushwant Singh that miracles always happened with her since she was staunch follower of Lord Yeshua, Jesus Christ, and always believed that God is with us. As it happens when Khushwant Singh went with her to visit Nirmal Hriday, Sacred Heart, the place where destitute peoples, the place where diseased peoples are served by the members or nuns of missionaries of charity. There he says there were more than 100 peoples lying on the bed. Moreover, few patients were waiting for the bed outside of the house in the veranda. Two people suddenly died, and their beds were immediately offered to two another patients. Mother Teresa went bed to bed, and the only message she gave that there is God. She also told him that how she was opposed by traditional Brahmins. Later on, few priests of Kali, they also came to die there, to be served there by the nuns. Later on, while traveling along with Khushwant Singh, Mother Teresa explained him that at the age of 12, she decided to be a nun. She left her parental house and she became a nun. Later on, she came to Kolkata as a principal of an English school. There she served for many years, and the call by the God. She says she was just traveling in a train, and there God, Lord Yeshua, asked her to give up everything and devote yourself for the service of poor and the service of diseased ones. She says, at first, she was unknown to the nature of service, that if she wished to nurse diseased patients, she don't know anything about it. So at first, she decided to complete a diploma in nursing, and for that she went to Patna in Bihar. There she completed her diploma in nursing, and later on she came back to Kolkata in 1948. At first she established the institution, that is Missionaries of Charity. Later on another branch was opened, it was Brothers of Charity, and for each and every member there were four oaths. Four oaths. First is poverty, that means no member can make a show of his wealth. Whoever wishes to join the mission, Missionaries of Charity or Brothers of Charity, entire life they will have to live in poverty. No wealth, no show of wealth. Another one is chastity. That means the service you decided to do, be honest with it, be chaste with it. There is no room for any sort of crime, rather, you can say. Third one is obedience. Be obedience. Obedience, आपण ओबिडियंट असणे, दिलेलं काम विना तक्रार करणे. जे कार्य तुम्हाला सोपवलेलं आहे ते कार्य तुम्ही केलं पाहिजे. पहिली अट कुठली आहे? पॉवर्टीची आहे, की अत्यंत गरिबीचं जीवन तुम्हाला जगावं लागेल. नीतिमत्ता पूर्ण असं जीवन तुम्हाला जगावं लागेल. त्यानंतर दिलेलं काम तुम्हाला प्रामाणिकपणे करावं लागेल. अँड होल हार्टेड सर्व्हिस टू द पुअर. आणि गरिबांची सेवा हेच तुमचं मुख्य ध्येय असलं पाहिजे. या अटींवर, या 4 शपथांवर मिशनरीज ऑफ चॅरिटी किंवा ब्रदर्स ऑफ चॅरिटी या संस्थांचं सदस्यत्व मिळत होतं. ह्या महत्त्वाच्या 4 गोष्टी आहेत. खुशवंत सिंग राइट्स दॅट Mother Teresa, as she was born in Yugoslavia, her mother tongue was English, but since she decided to work in Bengal, she learned Bengali language and very soon she became able to speak it very fluently. After that, she became citizen of India. That means she got Indian nationality, and someone may ask, someone may wonder, what was her strength? असं कुठलं शक्तिस्थळ किंवा अशी कुठली शक्ती त्यांच्याकडे होती की ज्याच्यामुळे एवढं मोठं कार्य मदर टेरेसा करू शकल्या? तर खुशवंत सिंग लिहितो, इट वॉज सिंपल कन्व्हेन्शन्स. अतिशय साधेपणा, त्यासोबत साध्या साध्या गोष्टींमध्ये असलेला त्यांचा दृढ आत्मविश्वास. खुशवंत सिंग says, once I asked her, who is dominant figure in your life? Whether Gandhi, Nehru or any other, who is the dominant figure in your life? And Mother Teresa without hesitation answered, the only one, Jesus Christ, and the book, that is Bible. Her trust was so strong in the faith, in the teachings of Jesus Christ, and the valuable advice, valuable counsels given through the book of Bible. या 2 ताकदीच्या जोरावर मदर टेरेसा एवढं मोठं कार्य करू शकल्या. विद्यार्थी मित्र, या खुशवंत सिंग यांच्या या प्रोजनंतर आपल्या सिलेबसमध्ये केवळ एक नाटक उरलेलं आहे, ते म्हणजे तुघलक. अतिशय महान कलाकार, नाटककार, प्रख्यात विद्वान, कर्नाटकी साहित्याचे जाणकार गिरीश कर्नाड यांचं हे नाटक आहे. आपल्यासमोर काही प्रश्न आहेत. खरं तर हे नाटक फार तर 7-8 दिवसामध्ये संपेल, परंतु काय धोरण आहे, कोणत्या धोरणाने आपल्याला चालायचं आहे, हे आणखी स्पष्ट होत नाही. होईल अशी आशा करूयात. दुसरी गोष्ट, थर्ड इयरच्या 6व्या सेमिस्टरच्या एक्झाम्स होणार आहेत. त्याचबरोबर शैक्षणिक सत्र केव्हा सुरू करायचं हेही आणखी निश्चित नाही. आपण ज्या 2 कविता, 2 शॉर्ट स्टोरीज आत्तापर्यंत शिकलो, त्यापैकी जर तुम्हाला एखादी कविता किंवा शॉर्ट स्टोरी समजली नसेल तर तुम्ही ती किंवा तसं मला व्हॉट्सअपला किंवा पर्सनली फोन करून कळवा. ती आपण परत रिपीट करूयात. आपला जो पॅटर्न आहे तो ऑर पॅटर्नचा आहे. म्हणजे 2 कविता आहेत तर एकावर तुम्ही चांगली तयारी केली तर तुमचा प्रश्न सुटेल. 2 स्टोरीज आहेत, एक चांगली केली तर तो प्रश्न सुटेल. हा मात्र एकच प्रोज पीस आहे आणि एक नाटक आहे. तुम्हाला काही याविषयी अडचण असेल, जितका भाग आपण पाहिलेला आहे त्याविषयी, तर तुम्ही निश्चितपणे कधीही मला फोन करून सांगू शकता. तो अभ्यास घटक आपण परत रिपीट करूयात. टुमॉरो वी विल डिस्कस व्हेरियस अवॉर्ड्स confronted on Mother Teresa. She got so many awards, and whatever amount she received, she expended it on the welfare of poor. That is her greatness. Tomorrow we will discuss remaining part of this prose. Up to that, thank you. Have a nice day.